Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camelia Crafts Designs. Welcome and welcome back after a couple of weeks. Right, I'm here today with a video. Yeah, it's a video. I'm starting off with a Happy Mail video because I've not done a video for a couple of weeks. So this will ease me back in. Yeah, I'm sorry I've not been on. I've just been in a funk. Yeah, in a funk. Just a non-crafting funk. So hopefully this little lot will get me back out of my funk, because you kind ladies and gents and anyone else in between have sent me some lovely Happy Mails. Yeah, I don't even know some of them are off, because I think they'll be out. Well, I know they've been sent through Amazon, and when things come from US to UK from Amazon, the little thank you, the little messages don't get put in. So yeah, feel free to own up in comments. Now, I'll start off with some things that I know came from one of my lovely subscribers, Trine. She tried to get me some of the things off my wish list, but wasn't able to get them sent to the UK. They can be a bit funny like that, UK. I don't know why. We're just weird, aren't we? So she got me these, and I absolutely love them. They are... She said she sent me some items that were going to make my life easier and make cleaning up easier and make it easier for me to craft, and that's just what I need. But these are adorable and functional. Look at them, just little parts for me to use my mediums in, my glues, my inks, my whatevers. Sometimes I'm put off using things because it might be a bit messy, but I've got these now. And also they are silicone, by the way, and also some silicone spatulas, so I'm good to go now. Yeah, I can use my Yes paste without having to wash brushes. With these, apparently, when you use any glues on them, you just let it dry and then you can peel it off, which I know you can. Do you know, that was something weird that one of the teachers at school where I used to be a dinner lady and help out at did. When kids had glue in pots, she used to put them at windowsill to dry, and then she used to like to peel it off. Sometimes I'd help her peel it off because it was very satisfying. It's just one of them things, isn't it, like popping bubble wrap. Yeah, I'm as weird as ever. I haven't changed. So that's that. Thank you so much, Trine. Also, a glue rubber. I do have one of these, but it's so ratty and old, and I've cut so many bits off it. I've literally had it years, so I'm well ready for a new one. Thank you so much. Now, other stuff. Now, Trine, I know you bought me a stencil, and I've been very good and put my Happy Mails all to one side, but I don't know which one you sent me, because I've had some mystery stencils. Now, this one is definitely from my friend Cheryl in Oklahoma. Thank you so much, Cheryl. Cheryl gets me all sorts, and they arrive all the time, so I don't always show everything Cheryl gets me. But thank you for this. Now, Trine, you got me a rose stencil, and someone else got me the other rose stencil. Maybe you got them both, Trine, I don't know. You know, him arriving separately and with no notes. But yeah, wow, that's just right up my street. I can do, yeah, could I mix the bricks and the roses? Probably. But yeah, I can't thank people enough. I think you all know I've been in a bit of a funk since I lost my little cat. And yeah, I've had lovely messages. Thank you to everyone who's bought me a coffee. I thank you individually on the coffee site. Yeah, and Happy Mails, I'm just so chuffed. Now, this one arrived today. Now, yeah, look at them. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're the Tim Holtz book plate. Label frames, they're called, but I'll be using them as book plates. But, oh, is that one too in there? I'm going to have to open one. There's 2 packs the same. Now, I don't know whether I was supposed to get 2 packs. I know Amazon are really good at making mistakes sometimes. They've done it with me. I once ordered a carrot cottage for Amster and they sent a box of 6, and I think I forgot to tell them. Yeah, that's 2, isn't it? Yeah, there's 2. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 altogether. Love them. They're going to pop up on some journals sometime soon. Yeah, thank you very much. Another mystery Happy Mail that arrived is these stamps. Yeah, these were all on my Amazon wish list. I quite often put all my Tim Holtz once on there, and I do buy some for myself sometimes if I get the chance. Now this, it's lovely. They're all, it's called Reflections. It's a Stampers Anonymous one, and it's called Reflections because the writing's backwards. We've got handwriting on there. Let me take it out of plastic so it's a bit less reflective. I'm sorry if all these goodies are very reflective. So yeah, handwriting. We've got, that looks like dictionary, it's foreign. It might not be foreign, it may be just me that, it's just me. I can't read things back to front, who knew? Imagination, I can't read, curiosity, imagination and curiosity. Now I could use, I could make some lovely backgrounds up using these as they are. But to turn it right way around, we could try a bit of, you know, you can stamp onto acetate, or I could stamp these onto a gel plate, and then if I stamp these onto my jelly plate and then put paper on, would it be right way around? I think they would, but my head just really can't work that one out at the minute. Head's a shed. So that's that one. Thank you so much. I've also received some of these wallpapers. What's it called? Worn wallpaper. I'm going to open them because I want to feel them. They look like, oh yeah, they've got texture. Oh, I do like these. Now you couldn't get digital ones of these because they've got texture. So yeah, ooh, me likes. Have I got them upside down? Oh yeah, I'm looking at them upside down. I think I ought to rename my channel. I don't know. See, my brain's not functioning. Oh, I do like these. Very retro. Some of these remind me of wallpaper my mum used to put on chimney breast. Do you know, I'm sure I've had a pack of these before. Because I'm getting deja vu saying that. But oh, I love those. Put that back with its packaging. And then we've got these. Oh, these have been on my wish list for quite a while. And again, I don't know who sent me these, but thank you very much. And the Stampendous embossing powders. I didn't realise when I put these in my wish list, there's a technique you can do called painting with powder. So I might give that a whirl as all the instructions are on. But I just wanted it for the lovely array of colours of embossing powder. Because I don't have a lot of embossing powders. I have gold, silver, black, white. I didn't really use colours so much in past. But these, oh look, gold and bronze. Some absolutely lovely colours, and I can see some of these going really well with some of the Tim Holtz Distress inks. Yeah, so that's that. Now I've got another one, a special one here, because the thought that's gone into this Happy Mail is unbelievable. This is from Sam Kramer, who is over in Kentucky. She does have an Etsy shop called Kramer's Crafty Corner, which I'm going to list because she has some wonderful bits and bobs. Sam she was born in Britain, yeah? I don't know how many years she's lived in the US now. So she's very good at knowing what us Brits want from US that we can't get hold of, because she knows what she couldn't get hold of here. I'm sure she said she's been in US about 10 years. I don't know why that's in my head. I could be completely and utterly wrong. Anyway, Sam met up with her parents in New York, who are from the UK, so she gave these to her mum, who has then posted them when she got back to UK. So thank you very much, Sam, and thank you, Sam's mum. And there's some absolute yumminess in here. Looky. And she's let me know what they are. Mats from Dollar Tree. Wow. If this isn't reason enough to move to US because she can get things like this in Dollar Tree, I don't know what is. And I've not opened these yet. I'd obviously had to open envelopes because I can't wait. I don't have patience. What's patience? Oh, they are fabric. Wow. I even wondered if they were paper. Dollar Tree. I mean, I don't know if they were $1 each or you got them both, but look at the... Oh, that's amazing. I don't know if anyone saw the... I did a elastic bound journal from a book, and the inside of the book had a very similar pattern on it. This would have been amazing to go with it. I do have another copy of that book. It was called The Miniaturist, and it was the hardback copy. And it's got a lovely blue... Oh, that's a journal cover ready-made, isn't it? And this one, wow, look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. I can't believe these are from Dollar Tree. I've not been in a Poundland over here for about 2 years, but I'm sure stuff weren't that good then. And she's also sent me some Tyvek envelopes. Thank you so much, Sam. And then we've got another one. Oh, yeah, these as well. Some cute little tags. The quality of this card is so lovely. You know, you can get these in the UK and it'll be really rubbish, thin card. They're fabulous. Oh, and that's elastic. That's even better. Oh, they're just going to be so cute, aren't they? Oh, I could try tea dyeing. I don't know if elastic will tea dye. I'll give it a whirl. We can try for now, can't we? Well, we can try for cost a boiling kettle, which is a bit expensive these days. Boiling kettle and a tea bag. Right, look at this. This is paper that Sam's hand dyed herself with food colouring. I'd mentioned something a while back about dyeing paper with Kool-Aid, and Sam had said she does do it with food colouring, and look at the paper, it's letter size. So I now have an exact reference to what letter size is compared to A4. Let's grab a sheet of A4 and have a look-see. This'll do. Oh, that's something I've printed off. Yeah, so... You know, when you see us using A4 stuff, you can see there's not much difference. The height, it's not even 1/4 of an inch, is it an 1/8? It's somewhere between an 1/8 and 1/4, isn't it? But then it's a good 1/2 inch longer. Yeah, 1/2 inch longer and almost 1/4 of an inch wider, narrower A4. It's weird, isn't it? I don't know, I kind of like this size better. I might start buying A3, which is double that size, and cutting it down. Anyway, let's look at these yummy colours. Can you imagine that in the lemon? Oh, yeah. Could make such a lovely colourful journal using that as a cover with all these in. Wow.
I don't know that one.
Oh, and she's back. Yeah, well, you wouldn't know it. You're not up on dyeing paper, are you? Ethel. I can't even remember the name of my, Amazon device. It's Gertrude. Who's Ethel? Got a lovely pink. Oh, I love the variation you get in colours on edges. That is so nice. That'll go lovely with that blue placemat. Wow. Thank you so much, Sam. These are absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if Sam sells the coloured papers in her shop. She sells all sorts of bits and bobs. She's got some good stuff in. And then look at this. Antonio, if you're watching, from Antonio Makes. I will be doing some stuff with Antonio's new digitals very soon. And this fabric that Sam has so kindly sent me, that just reminds me of one of Antonio's digitals. He's done some that will go absolutely perfectly with that to make a journal. How gorgeous. Oh, yeah, are these... I know what these are called, these flowers. They're not violets. Oh, what are they called? Oh, does it tell you? Oh, it's from Joann's. I've got fabric from Joann's. Oh, and there's no E on end. Did I know that? I'm not sure I did. Ooh, I can definitely get a journal, maybe 2 out of that. Oh, that's gorgeous fabric, that. Thank you so much, Sam. I love it. Yeah, go on, I'll leave it still for 2 seconds so you can actually see it. I want to fold it now exactly as it were so we don't get extra creases in. So I know where I'm ironing my creases out. There we go. Then we've got this one. Gorgeous. Oh, that's got to be saved for autumn, that, hasn't it? That is the perfect autumn journal cover. Wow, I love it. Oh, thank you so much, Sam. These are gorgeous. That is so lush. Lush. That is the word for that, isn't it? Lush. Ooh. And then this one. This, oh, last year I bought a digital kit from, yeah, Dawn, the Book Vandal shop. I love Dawn's digitals. I kind of collect them, and I've only ever used one. They're just cute. And she did a bee themed one, and I intended to use it this year because I bought it a little bit late for last year, and this will be perfect. Now I saw this and I'm like, that's gorgeous, bees. And it wasn't until my daughter pointed out that all these little bees are doing things, and I'm like, do I take notice anything? Once, right? It's not even funny, this story, it's just tragic. Not tragic in a oh no kind of way, but I once said to my friend, we went somewhere, I'm like, oh look, they're building a new bus stop there. She's like, didn't you notice when they demolished the old one? I'm like, no, it had been gone about 6 months apparently. I didn't notice it being demolished, didn't notice it gone, but I noticed they were building a new one. Hey ho, that's me. So anyway, what have the bees got on him? What's he doing? I don't know what he's doing. He's got a shovel. He's got a little plant pot. He's got, I don't know. It's a watering can. Oh my, that's so funny. I don't know what this one's doing. I think he's planting in his little plant pot. Oh. Watering can. Well, yeah, watering cans. Oh, I'm a bit dim at times. They're absolutely cute and gorgeous. And again, I reckon I could get 2 journals out of that. I could. That's a lovely size piece. Thank you so much, Sam. So that is the end of the Happy Mail. Now, I have got an awful feeling that Trine had bought me something else and I've not included it. You'll have to let me know, Trine. Do you know when you've got this I forgot something feeling? Well, I've got that feeling. Right, one more thing before I go. As I've said at the beginning, I've been in a bit of a funk since I lost my little Phoebe. Well, we are in the process of adopting another cat. We're just waiting, basically, for them to tell us what day they're bringing her now. She's a little tab. She didn't look little, actually. She's a tabby cat. She's just over 1 year old, and her name is Nala. She's absolutely gorgeous. I've been cat-proofing the house because my last cat, she was 20. She weren't very minxy. In fact, we affectionately called her a cushion, Phoebe the cushion, because she just laid on the sofa and cuddled us. Whereas a 1 year old cat's going to be it's going to be a shock for my kids how minxy 1 year old cats can be. So yeah, house has got cat proofed. We've got a new cat tree and put that up. We're just waiting for someone to tell us when she's coming. I've been speaking to a lovely lady called Fiona from Cats Protection. So we've adopted her through charity Cats Protection from our Sheffield branch. She's paid for, everything's sorted, she's ours. And yeah, we're just waiting for some final paperwork and for foster carer to, yeah, arrange when she's going to be brought to us. But I can't wait. I will show you her when she's here. But you can actually go and look at her now, because the Cats Protection did do a little video of Nala and is still up. You'll see on this website that she's reserved because she's mine and my daughter's. Nala is our new cat. I will link that in the description if you want to go and have a look at Nala. I did try posting it on my community post the other day, but for some reason it wasn't showing up. I couldn't find it. I could see it on my end, couldn't find it on YouTube, and nobody liked it or commented. So there was some problem, but I don't know what that was. So I took it off and I'll try putting it on again. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I know it's not been crafting. I'm going to film a video now as soon as I've finished this one with actual crafting in to get up in the next few days. So I will get back into it. Even if I've got no mojo, I will film myself staring at my desk for 10 minutes, if that will keep you happy. No, at least, as a few people have said, they'd rather watch my collage than do nothing. And I think that's what I need to do to get back into things. Just do something. So, thank you once again. Thank you to everyone who's sent me well wishes and who has sent me happy mails and bought me coffees. I appreciate it so much. You will not believe how much I appreciate it. So thank you again, and I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, don't forget to go and have a look at Nala. Bye.